Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Expressing free will. My choices determine how brightly I shine. Ten. Cultivate curiosity. Discover a whole new world. Experience a new culture. Listen to different music. Or read a new genre. Discover a whole new world. How will you cultivate your curiosity? Limiting beliefs. Ultimately, you become what you believe. Mindset and self-realization. What's holding you back? Miracles happen all the time. Open your mind to miracles and you will start experiencing miraculous coincidences in your life. Beauty. May you perceive nature's artistry afresh. How beautiful. All right. Which item has our quotes today? Let's do the box. If you're tired of doing the same old, change direction, do something different, or try something new. It could be small or big. Surrender stress. Take a few deep breaths. Exhale the tension you've built up in your body. Let the stress go as you come back to your center. It's okay to pivot and change your mind. What served you for a season may not be meant forever. I forgive you for treating me the way you felt about yourself. Unplugging from technology relieves tension, improves relationships, and gives us a better night's sleep. Everyone wants to make it, but they don't want to start at level 1. What do you think? They were putting you last when you were putting them first. Remember that. I want a relation bike because ships carry a lot of people. And the last one today. Worrying is like worshiping the problem. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.